What's up, guys? Intelitech Studios here, and I'm really bored. I feel sick. I don't know what the heck to do. I'm working on the review for the Auditor, and I don't know how to fill up the slot for Monday's video. So, I normally don't do these types of tests. I usually hate doing pickup tests. But I decided why not do a pickup test, and I just realized I kind of did this pretty unevenly. I mean, you can see some of this is, I just put some of that, like, over here, and I don't know, maybe that's even enough, I don't know, I didn't measure this, I don't really care. So, I have a bunch of vacuums in my living room right now. These ones I'm not doing as part of the test. You can see we got a few Hoovers, Bissell, Panasonic, whatever. These were all just along the back wall, so I decided let's just randomly pit all these against each other. And we got a nice little pattern. We got green and black. We have red, and green and black. So, I mean, this is mostly blue and black, but there's some green on it, so it kind of matches. So, yeah, and random generations, too. So, we have, like, I mean, what 2000, 2004, this is common, 2008, this was out. I mean, I'm trying to, like, kind of, like, even years, and this is obviously, like, 2016, 2017 to today. So, I mean, obviously, these specific ones are manufactured in different dates, but as far as, like, they were relevant around that time, so it's kind of like a little time-lapse of vacuum comparisons. I don't know, I don't care, let's just do this. Because I know, oh my god, because I know some people have been wanting videos like this, so I have nothing better to do, and this is not going to be a common thing. I don't like wasting things. I don't like wasting, like, oatmeal in this case, or oats, and I don't like, deliberately sucking up just basic stuff that a vacuum should get no matter what. So this is not a trend, but I figured for one video, why not? It can't hurt. We'll see what these can do. So this one, my fiance's daily driver, you can tell it's in need of a clean, but it's not too bad. We'll just see how it does. Again, these are all just randomly however I pulled them out, so see how they do. Ooh, this got really hard to push for some reason. Well, that got basically everything. Okay, well that's good. That did good. That was on the medium setting. Oh, and this cord rewind sucks. Come on. There you go. Okay. Good job. And now this rewind. I also realized two of these are rewind, and two of them are not. Alright, try this now. Just on the medium setting? Yep, it's on the medium setting. This one has no height adjustment. These are all in the medium setting. Well, this one did really well. It did just as good, and if this one felt like it agitated the carpet a little bit more, since you can actually see the stuff. Oh wow, I forgot how powerful that is. You can actually see the stuff kind of bouncing in front of it. Again, some of these need belts and brush rolls. This one I just put a new belt and a good brush roll in, but I did clean the house once with it. So as you know, these belts break and wear out immediately. They're so bad. So bad at that. And again, this has no height adjustment, so this is just however it is. Oh wow, that already stopped. control took a while to wind down for some reason. So, that one did a good job too. Excuse me while I die. This thing, it did leave, you can tell like all these have lines, but this one did leave some in the lines. And not like in the middle where the belt is, you can clearly see the belt spot. In fact, in a lot of these you can see the belt spot. But this one did a little bit, obviously I didn't run over this section, but you can see the line where they leave a couple little pieces behind. But I gotta admit, seeing the pieces get sucked in through this, super satisfying. Okay, so I'm gonna take off this jacket because I am sweating. Yeah, what are you supposed to do when you're sick and not feeling well other than vacuum? Okay, and then here's where all the vacuum collectors have a heart attack because I'm using a Phantom for a pickup test. I have 4 of these. I think it should be okay. I did check the brush roll was good on this. No headlight, but whatever. And obviously the little cord hook is broken, but whatever. Try this now. Oh, wow. Well, this one, the Phantom actually did the worst. And honestly, I kind of expected that because, you know, I love the Phantom, I love these machines, but honestly, like, this one has the oldest brush roll out of all of these. Obviously worn the most down. Also, already didn't have very good suction or airflow. So, still plenty fine for deep cleaning, at least somewhat passable deep cleaning, but for picking up heavy surface debris, that's not ideal. So, it's pretty clear the Phantom had like a straight line of material, so Phantom was in last place, and again, this was on the middle setting. Maybe it would do better if I did it on the low setting for that, but yeah, so Phantom last place, Dirt Devil Breeze second to last place, although still a pretty strong showing, and then Hoover Elite Rewind is in first place, and the Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo Rewind Pet is in a close second. So yeah, that is that. So, and I feel like using the Phantom, so we'll see if the Phantom can get up the last bit of it. Maybe if I put it... Oh, wow. Okay. If I can drop my camera. Maybe if I put this on the low setting, maybe it'll do better. Well, let's check that out. Let's see if that does anything. Oh, there we go. Alright, and then, since it's the only other one, since it's the, or wait, which one's plugged in? No, the Phantom's the only one plugged in. Okay, so we gotta unplug the Phantom. And I already wound up these other two, so I guess we'll use the Dirt Devil, even though it also did, like, the second worst, and run over all this again. So yeah, for those who might have wanted to see the Panasonic or the wind tunnel or the Power Force bagged, I decided to just, since again these ones are all fully working, and this wind tunnel needs a filter, this Panasonic still needs some work. The other one doesn't, but this one does. And then that 1398 is good though, but it'd be weird to have one bagless and then or one bagged and then three bagless, so I decided just do them all bagless. So yeah, so again, just kind of a one-off video. I usually don't do these, but figured it'd be interesting. I got nothing better to do, and I'm sure you want to see a video today. And right now my YouTube revenue is down so much that it's actually scaring me. So yeah, let's release the video and hope it goes back up because I want to pay bills. Anyways, so for the final power ranking, number 1, Elite Rewind. Number 2, Bissell. Again, just based off of this performance. Maybe I did something wrong, whatever. You can say like, oh, but I like this machine better, whatever. Okay, yeah. And then the Dirt Devil. And then the Phantom. So that's the power ranking. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Bye.